Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk to you guys about something a little different. It's a subscription service, except it's for face masks. So I thought that would be a little different. If that's something you're interested in watching, you're in the right place. We're about to get into it.
I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf. I'm a lone wolf.
Hi guys, so there is a company out there called Facetory, and the mission is that every face has a story, and this is a subscription service, but instead of makeup or utensils or tools or brushes or palettes, it's actually face masks. Now, Facetory was started by a bunch of sheet mask junkies that live in sunny California, and they got together. They all had a passion for sheet masking and the Korean sheet masks in particular, and they decided to build the company. And I have to tell you guys, when my first subscription showed up, I just about died over the packaging. So let me show that to you first, is the packaging, how it's packaged when it arrives, and I'll tell you a little bit more about the company. So it shows up in this really cute little box. This one happened to be in collaboration with Bustle, which is an online social media kind of reporting slash editorial type of online magazine. And Facetory again was started by these people who were in love with sheet masks that live in California. They were overwhelmed at first by the variety of Korean sheet masks that were available in the market, and so what they decided to do was to start curating a subscription box and get their hands on sheet masks that are available out there, but they're harder to access outside of Korea. So they wanted to go ahead and find a way to get those particular sheet masks, especially ones that they fell in love with that were very effective, into the States, and more importantly into your hands, and thus Facetory was born. So I want to go over the face masks that I got, but first let's go over the actual subscription options first. So the first option is the Forever Fresh option, and you guessed it, it comes with 4 sheet masks. Now this retails for $5.95, and then you have to pay $2.95 for the shipping, so it ends up being like $9 basically. And you get 4 sheet masks. They promise that you'll have a sheet mask for every skin type, so definitely sheet masks that you can use, and you'll get 4 different kinds in this particular subscription. The next level that they have is called the 7 Luxe, and of course it has 7 sheet masks in it. Now this one is $5.95 retail, and then you pay $3.95 for shipping. So basically like 20 bucks altogether. So you get 7 sheet masks in this particular one, and of course they say that you will have a sheet mask for every skin type, and all of the boxes that are curated are also themed. So right now we're running into like the summer themes, and you'll notice as we go through the face masks how they're curated and the different themes that go along with each box. It's actually really cute. All right, so again, this particular box was in collaboration with Bustle, so their editors had a say-so in the curation of this particular one. Now I got the 7 Luxe one, so we'll go through 7 sheet masks here just so that you guys can see and get a good idea of what actually comes in the subscription. And these were the favorites of different editors at Bustle. So of course it comes with an insert that goes over what all of the individual masks are and what the features and functions of each individual mask are, where they're available, how you can buy it, and what the retail of it is. Now the first one is actually a mask, and I'm gonna struggle with names because these are all like Korean face masks, so it's gonna be a struggle for me. I'm warning you now. This is by a company, I think that's called Oseke, and it's a dual bubble tok mask. So this is supposed to be obviously for getting rid of those impurities and more of a clarifying type skin mask. I'll show you a closer up look of it where you guys can actually see what it looks like. I know it's hard to see, it's very reflective. So I'll show you a close-up here. And again, this is supposed to be a bubble mask that's going to remove impurities and dirt and leave you feeling squeaky clean and ultra hydrated. You just put the sheet mask on and then you wash your face because it's going to bubble up, and it should start bubbling almost immediately. And then when you take it off, you're supposed to massage the essence into your skin and then leave it sit and then lightly wash it off with some warm water, and you're supposed to have really squeaky clean skin that's supposed to feel ultra hydrated. So that's the first mask. Now the next one is from a company called Bano, and this looks a little scary. It's called the Baby Face Injection Mask. I don't know about this one, guys. So I'll show you a close-up of this one. This is supposed to be a mask that is saturated with product. People, like, reviews say that when they took it off, their skin was noticeably more smooth and plump, just like a beautiful bouncing baby. So it really is supposed to give you like a baby face, really smooth, soft skin. So that is the second face mask. Oh, so just to back up, this one is $6. This one is $4 retail. So that's $10 so far for a $20 box. So $6, $4. Now this is by a company called Wen, and this is their 10 p.m. anti-aging sheet mask. So I'll give you guys an up-close look at it here. This one is supposed to leave your skin feeling cooling and relaxing, leaving your skin very hydrated, and it's also supposed to make your skin feel very tight, thus the anti-aging, anti-wrinkle claim. So that is the third mask in this package, and this one retails for $9. So we're already just under 20 bucks. This one is by a company called Rose Heart, and this is their deep moisturizing pink mask. Now this one is a two-step mask, and the reviews on this say that this is like a more hydrated than normal sheet mask type of mask. And again, it's got all this great for you stuff in it, and it's a 20-minute mask. You're supposed to leave it on and make your skin feel incredibly hydrated, and the retail on this one is $5, so we're up to $25. Next is by a company called Leaders in Solution, and this is their Juicy Pina Colada Brightening Mask. Now this one is supposed to provide extreme hydration. It's also supposed to help fight hyperpigmentation and improve the appearance of large pores and uneven skin tone. So this is the Juicy Pina Colada Bright Mask, and this one retails for $4. Next up is a mask that looks really interesting by a company called Meg, and it's a two-step mask, and the first part of it is like an AHA peeling, and then the second part of it is like a essence kind of jelly mask. I'll give you a close-up of it here. This one is supposed to be soothing and brightening, so it's going to be an exfoliant as well. In addition to that, it's going to help remove any kind of really grind-in kind of dirt, so it's a deep cleanse, and so it'll help prevent blemishes while minimizing redness, soothing irritation, all that good stuff, in addition to having the AHA, which is alpha hydroxy acid, that's going to help reduce acne, and it'll give you some anti-aging benefits through exfoliation as well. So this one actually retails for $6 US, and I'm actually interested in this one. This one is a little exciting for me. And then last but not least is by a company called, it's NOHJ. With a colon in the middle, so I'm not really sure. But this is their modeling mask serum, and it's the chrysanthemum mask, and I can feel that there's a lot of serum in this sheet mask. So I'll give you a close-up of it here. They claim that this one is going to give the skin a smoother surface with its ability to hydrate and minimize pores from the chrysanthemum flower extract, and it also has gold extract in it, which is an anti-aging ingredient, which is going to increase the elasticity of your skin by reducing fine lines, wrinkles, and blemishes. So yeah, this is the last one in there, and this one is retailed at $4. So all told, guys, we basically got $40 worth of masks in this particular package, and I only paid $15.95 plus the $3.95 shipping and handling. So it's like getting all of these for half off. So $20 for $40 worth of masks, that's absolutely a win. I really like the brands that are included in this, because as you look up these brands, even though they're not well-known brands here in the States, the Korean skincare brands really take a lot of pride in ingredients ingredients and making sure that they are spot on with their ingredients, that they're pure, that the ingredient list is minimal and not full of fillers, but only full of active ingredients and the stuff that's really, really good for you. I've had a lot of good luck with Korean skincare. So the fact that this is specifically Korean curated is definitely a appealing factor for me. So that's a lot of masks to get. I think I really like this subscription, so I'm going to try these out, and then I'll do a follow-up with you guys next month to see if they can continue on giving such good boxes. I always like to do at least 2 or 3 just to make sure I didn't just luck up on a really nicely curated box and the rest of them are just going to be like garbage. But so far, you guys, I'm really impressed. I definitely think that this is a subscription service that is worth exploring if you are a sheet mask junkie, which I happen to be, especially in the summer months where the sun's out, your skin tends to be parched. We tend to go to a lot of events and stuff, and our skin just tends to go through it just a little bit more. So it always needs a little bit of extra TLC during these summer months, and sheet masks are a great way to do it. They're a great way to really get that hydration back into your skin, and I'm really excited to dive into these. So Facetory, guys, Erica approved subscription so far. Let's see what next month brings. Alright guys, so before we go, I want to go over the giveaway box with you guys and let you guys know what's going on with the giveaway. So, we are going to be doing the live stream for the giveaway. We'll have that live stream running on YouTube on Sunday of this coming up weekend. If you guys want to watch my Instagram, and I will post the time on there for you guys sometime this weekend so that you can see what time, so you can join me there. My Instagram is at ErikaApproved, and that's with 2 A's. So ErikaApproved, Erica Approved. And yeah, so just join me on my Instagram and just follow me there, and you guys will see. I'll put up the time for the live stream when we will announce the winner. Now, I'm going to go over the contents of the box, but I'm just going to kind of whip through the contents that you guys already know, and then I'll show you a couple of the things that we've added. So, we do have a lot of e.l.f. stuff in here. We have the Sculpting Silk eyeshadow palette. It's like a little mini palette from e.l.f. We also have the e.l.f. liquid eyeliner from e.l.f. That's in there as well. If you guys want to see this stuff more in detail, go back to the Pinky Rose review and you'll see like close-ups of everything too. This is the volumizing and defining mascara from e.l.f. That's in there. There's also going to be an eyeshadow brush from e.l.f. That will be in there as well. The ink eyeliner, which is an intense ink eyeliner from e.l.f. I love the felt tip eyeliner part of this. So you have like a liquid eyeliner and then a felt tip eyeliner, because I just love the point on this. This makes fantastic wings. If you're a beginner, this is great for that. And then, of course, e.l.f.'s new Rose Gold Sunset palette is included as well, and it is gorgeous. I love that palette. And then, of course, you also have the new Sephora Beauty Amplifier. This is their Ultra Smoothing Primer. That is included. And then the California Baked Eyeshadow Palette from e.l.f. That's included as well. Remember, if you guys get this, cut the tops off of these domes and get into that really pigmented shimmer in there. I do that every time I get a baked e.l.f. eyeshadow palette, and the payoff is intense, but you've got to get through that baked layer, and then once you get down into the actual formula, it is stunning, especially if you wet your brush with some Fix Plus. Alright, so I've also thrown in there the L'Oreal Chocolat line, Dose of Cocoa, and Box of Chocolate. I reviewed these two on my channel, so there's one of each in here as well. And then, of course, the Pinky Rose Cosmetics palette, the Rustic Rose palette. This is stunning, you guys. This is like the main thing. I just wanted you guys to have this palette. This palette is freaking incredible. I love using this palette, so this will be included in there as well. And then this week's Weekly Wow by Sephora was something that I took advantage of because I've been eyeing it for a while, but I waited until it went on sale, and then of course I got two, one for me and one for you. and it is the Chloe Morella's Beauty Haul Volume 2. So for those of you that don't know, Chloe Morella did a collab with Ciate, and they put out like this little beauty haul, and it's super, super cute. I'll open it so you guys can actually see in here, but I'm not gonna like do anything to it because this is actually yours. So this comes with, it's a nice little set. It's one that she curated with them. So she has the Pretty Fun and Fearless eyeshadow palette is in here. And I'll lift it so you guys can see it. It's got the most unique, beautiful shades in it. And I love it. So that is the palette itself. And then, of course, it has the mini Wonder Wand, which is this. And it's a mascara. So it's the Ciate mascara. And then it also has a Ciate matte liquid lip. And then it has the Ciate eyeliner down here. And this is their eyeliner. A lot of people really, really love this. This is the Fierce Flicks liquid eyeliner down here as well. So this is called the Volume 2 Ciate and Chloe Morella Beauty Haul. So that has been added to the giveaway as well. So you guys are all updated on all the goodies in this giveaway box. It's quite a lot of stuff. So somebody is going to be a very happy camper, especially with all of these palettes in there. They are all really nice palettes that I love and are Erika approved. So, all right, guys. So I will have the live stream on Sunday. Follow my Instagram if you want to know what time. Other than that, I hope everybody is entered. If you want like a last minute entry, just go to the Pinky Rose review. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you put in the comments down below how you want me to get in touch with you in the event that you are the winner. And make sure you're a subscriber. And make sure you're a subscriber because I will check, and I hate when I do that. When I pull somebody and I get really excited and I go through the qualifiers and you either haven't liked the video, or I don't have a way to get in touch with you, or you're not a subscriber and I have to move on to somebody else, and that really stinks. So please make sure you've got your bases covered and do all three. Alright guys, I hope everybody is happy and healthy, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck everybody. Mwah.